Good evening, guys. Yeah, my name is Choi, and I'm sure some of you might already know already. So today we are going to be doing a logo design today. So I'm sure you guys already know this app. I sent the link to the classroom, that is Pixel Lab. So to start, I'm going to go through my gallery to get my sample image, and this is what we're going to be working on today. This is our sample image, the Choicy Laundry Services. Okay, now then how are we going to get this anger stuff? So there is a app that we can use to get it. This logo is for a dry cleaning brand. So for us to get this, I used um PNG tree. Just type PNG tree on your browser. When you do that, let me just try. This is the PNG tree. Then you're going to put clothes hanger cartoon grid. When you search for it, this is it here. So the reason why I prefer PNG images, it is because when it downloads, it removes the background automatically. So now this is the image. So I've already downloaded mine. So you guys just click on the free download and download PNG, then you are good to go. Okay, let's head back to our work. So since I already have it, let me just import my image. So this is it here. This is my image. Good. So this is my image, and you see it came without a background. Yeah, good. So let me lock this for some time. You can, if you notice here, there is a, let me get to the front. So you notice that there is a two word letters in the mid inside the anger. So that is DC. So we're going to write it here to fix it there. DC. Good. So now let's look for the right font. We need to look for the right font that matches it. Let's look for the right font. Look for the right font. Look for the right font. Okay. Oh my goodness. Font. Oh goodness, how are we going to look for the font? Okay, just look. Okay. Hmm. Oh my goodness. There's a big challenge here because I'm looking for the font. But let's just manage. Oh goodness, it's not looking that good. It's not looking that good. This is where the problem comes when you're looking for the font. Okay, I think we're just going to manage this one. I can't really find the fonts I used for that one. So let me unlock this. Okay. Don't know why I can't find the fonts, but we'll surely manage what anyone we see. So this is the one I saw. We're going to reduce the size for it to fit perfectly into the position. Okay, that's good. Now let's make it bold. I think that should do it. That should do it. Okay. Now the color there is a textured color. So first, I'm not sure we need the bold. Yeah, we don't need the bold. I didn't get the real fonts we wanted to get, so let me just go back. Okay, so let me unlock the anger, and if you look at it, there's a slicky. It has a gold stuff on it, so that is not a color. You should know that that is a texture. So we are going to go to texture. We are going to import from the gallery. So let me just browse. Go to gallery. Okay, so I have, okay, not this one. I think it should be download. Yeah. So this is it. This is how it looks like. Good. So it's looking somehow because of the kind of background we use. So I think we should go for a black background. Let me go for a black background. Image. Sorry, a black background. Then we're gonna deal with that later. Okay, I'm gonna go for a black background so that we can get what we want. So I'm going to take it to the back and I'm going to lock it. So we've done this. So the color, if you notice in, oh my goodness, I didn't lock this. Lock. I locked the wrong one. So if you notice there are white lines at the edges, you won't really notice it because of the embossment and all that. So we're going to put the white lines are called stroke. So we're going to look for a stroke. Then let's make our stroke. Okay, let's make it 1. No, I think 2 is okay. Yeah, 2 is okay. So let's make it 2. So we have the white lines and everything. So now let's lock that one up. Then let's bring in the choices. So I'm going to open a text. I'm bringing the choicing. The choice. Okay, the choice. So let me increase it. Before that, let's change the fonts. I just find this font. Okay. Also one regular. Yeah, this is the font exactly. So I'm coming, let me just edit it and put some space between this hyphen. Okay, that's fine. So let's increase the size. I'm going to increase the size to fit in this space. Okay, done. So after increasing it, so I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to make it bold. So after making it bold, then I'm also going to import the texture, like the way I did for the anger. So we're going to also import for this one. So after importing, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to lock it. Then we're going to bring in our other text, which is our laundry services. Laundry services. So let me increase this. Let me increase it. Okay, and also the spacing. Yeah, the spacing. Let me increase the spacing. I think this is okay. Then that means that I have to reduce the size. Let me reduce the size, reduce. Okay, size. I think I need to increase it more. Okay, this is okay. So I'm gonna also make it bold. Nope, not really good. So I think it's okay like this. So let me just increase the position and take it upward. Then I'm also going to add my other write-ups. Let me look at it. Steam ironing, dry cleaning, steam ironing. steam ironing, dry cleaning, carpet cleaning, carpet cleaning, home cleaning and express service, home cleaning and express services, then same day delivery. Same day delivery. So let's see how this turns out. First of all, let me reduce the sizes to, yeah, good. So the home, let's edit that. Okay, good. No, it's here now. Okay, so where is the arrangement alignment? So I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. So let me just edit it and take it back. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then the same day delivery. Let me just take it back. Good. So it's perfect. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to increase this. I say increase. I'm going to reduce the size of this because it's looking just too big. Oh goodness, this is flying. Just once. Good. Okay, so let's change the color. Maybe wondering how we're going to get the yellow. Then we're going to use our pick tool. We're going to use our pick tool to get exactly the color we want. So this is the color we want. So we've gotten exactly what we wanted. So this is it. So the next thing you see there is the phone number and okay, I'm not comfortable with it, but I think I should change the font. It's not really that big, so I don't know what I'm gonna use. What shall I use? What shall I use? Okay, let's see this. I think it's actually the same thing. Yeah, whatever. Okay, good. So this is it. So I'm going to add the phone number first. So the phone number. Why is my hand always touching the rotate button? So this is the phone number. So I think I'm going to reduce the size. I think 30 should be okay. Yeah, should be okay. Then I'm going to import the icons. Now these icons are gotten from also the PNG. This because I said that anytime you download anything from PNG tree, it downloads it without background, so it's very easy for you to crop it out since it doesn't have background. But still, we're gonna use it like this. I think I like it like this, so we're gonna use it like this. Good. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. This should be okay. Okay, this is okay. Good. So I'm gonna put the WhatsApp here. Yeah, it's big. Let me see the size. Okay, that's about 5'5". Okay, let me the position. Let me like bring it down. Okay, take it up. Okay, that's perfect. So I'm also going to import the phone call logo also. So I'm gonna import that one also. Okay, now there's a problem. Where did I keep it? Not sure I can find it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Don't mind me, oh. Don't know why it's removed. So I just remember I didn't download it. So this is it. I think yeah, it should be okay like this. Let me just reduce it. Good. Yeah, like this is okay. So I'm gonna put it here. Just rotate it to this other side because I think that's how it's going to be. Yeah. Good. So I'm gonna reduce the size. You know that other one was 5.5. That's the reason why I was checking the the pose the size so that it could match this. I mean it could match the size of the WhatsApp. But it seems like this one's look bigger, so I'm gonna increase the size. I think by one. Good. So let me just change the position and all that. So let me just take it up. Okay. Okay, this is good. So we're gonna manage it like that. So now we are slightly done. Like we just finished phase one of it. So now we're sliding into the phase two, which is the presentation part. So the presentation part, I'm going to unlock my anger and I'm going to do an embossment for my anger. So embossment is what usually gives it this slicky effect and makes it look very cute. So this is the embossment. So look at the way it looks like. Look at the way it looks like. Look at the way it looks like. So we're going to put anywhere you want the direction of your light to go to. That's how you're going to do your embossment. So where you want the direction of your light to go to. I'm sorry for that. So I think like it like this. I think like this is good. The intensity. So you see the intensity, let me make it 85. Then the light, let me make it, this is the light. Let me make it, okay. I think, yeah, this should be okay. This should be okay. You just, tamper with everything just to fit what you want. So you can see that the anger here and the anger here because I couldn't get the exact image. I lost the other one. So I'm just going to manage this one. It's actually my fault though. But I'm sorry for that. So let's get back to the embossments. So I'm going to go to the hardness, the specular hardness. So this is how it looks like. So let me make it, I think 23 should be okay. And the bevel, ugh, why is this phone doing like this to me? Okay, sorry, I'm not done. Oh. Do you know why this thing is doing like this to me? Embossments. Oh my goodness, intensity. So let me make it I think this should be okay. Yeah, it's okay. So let's make it a 3D shape. 3D shape. So look at the 3D shape. This is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. You have the oblique. This is how it looks like. So we're going to be doing the perspective. So I think depth one is should be okay. Like okay, one should be okay. Yeah. One should be okay. So this is the choice. Let's also unlock the choice. Then we are also going to do an embossment for the choice, embossment. So when we're going to do the embossment for this, like, let's just make it what? I think this should be okay. Yeah, this should be okay. This should be okay. This should be okay. Okay. Let's also do it for the WhatsApp. So to make it have a shiny effect, even though I didn't do it in this picture, you can always add some touching to it. So to make it have light, you can see the light there. So let's just change the direction of the light to make it look nice. To make it look nice. To make it look nice. I think this should be okay. I like the direction of the light. And the phone also is not also left out. So let's do an embossment. Which one should I go for? So okay. Okay, no, I think I like this other direction. I like this other direction. Yeah, I think. Let me just get it. Yeah, it's okay. Good. Okay. So you can see this cute is bringing out this joy giving, the way it looks like so cute and pretty and all that. So the way it looks like, if you give this to your clients, they wouldn't like it because this is not a finished job. So it looks, somehow though, but this is not a finishing touch. But if you give something like this to your clients, I'm sorry, I mean, my goodness, sorry for that. I mistakenly did that. So let me just do the embossment again. I think it was 91 we used. Okay, good. So let us lock all our objects so that we'll avoid touching. Okay, good. So if we present this kind of work, this our sample image, if we present it, they'll look so happy, like it looks very beautiful, very cute. So they really love it. So we're going to get there. So for you to get backgrounds like this, what do you need to do? Just need to go to your browser and just need to type ape, need to type ape mockups. When you type ape mockups.com, so it gives you different kind of mockups you can use. Any work you want to do, it gives you different kind of mockups and the rest. So we won't work on mockups today because it's only when you go into tech, that is when you are doing all this Photoshop, CorelDRAW stuff. So because this is where you get Photoshop and CorelDRAW mockups, they actually sell it here. So we're not going to be dealing with mockup today. Yeah, not in our course of this graphics class. We're not going to be doing it. But I already downloaded a mockup that I would like us to use. But let's leave that one first. So let's go back to our design. So I think I don't really need this one right now. So let me just make it invisible. So since I like the arrangement and everything, so what's the next thing to do? I think this laundry service is okay. Good. So I'm going to arrange all the write-ups, but before that I need to import my background. So if I use this plus sign and import from gallery, it's going to put a background for me, but it's not going to be a real background because I just imported it. So like this is just like an image, not a background. So I just go to this place and I click from gallery. Then this is how they import my background from for me. So yeah, I think this should be okay. Yeah, this should be okay. Sorry, image. What did I do? What did I do? Texture stuff. Hmm. So this is it. So I had to delete this one, so it's not important. So good. So this is our background, like is giving. Okay. So the next thing for us to do is, if you move the hanger, everything, the hanger will move alone. The choice will move to one side, laundry service will move another side. But now, what are we going to do that we're going to join everything together to move as one? What we are going to do is that we are going to merge everything together. So we're going to come over here and then click this plus, then click everything that I want to merge together. Be careful not to add the one that is not important. So you look at this add button here. Are you sure you want to merge? Yeah, sure, we want to merge all together. So now everything is together. You see the way it looks like. This is how it looks like. So we've merged everything together to become one. So now let's increase the brightness. I would like us to increase the brightness of the background, like the brightness of the background, brightness. Okay, okay. Okay, the brightness of the background. So this is you can just you can adjust it. So I think 20 should be okay. Yeah, I like the background should be bright. So now we're going to also do the shadow of this. So let's go back here. So let's now start the real touching. So the shadow, if you look at it, it has shadow, blurry offsets. Look at the shadow. Look at the shadow. The shadow is running away from us. Shadow is running away from us. Okay, first, let's deal with this. The blur, if the blurry effect, the blurry effects. I think they should be okay. Then the shadow, want to put it on the wall. So I think this should be okay. Yeah, this should be okay. Then the offsets, why? Good. Like, why should it be? I think, yeah, this should be okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So we already have this. You can see the shadow is just as if it's right on the wall. Look at the way it looks like. Good. I think we need to do some things like, I think the shadow is much. The shadow is much. Oh, the shadow is much. Why did I touch this offsets like this? Why did I touch it? Oh, why did I touch it? Oh. So this blurry effect, choice. Think 14 should be okay. 14 should be okay. So we're going to do a 3D rotation. 3D rotation. So we're not doing this one. This one is not even important. We're not dealing with this. So let's leave that. So this is what we're dealing with. So now let's put it on the wall. Rotate. Yeah, I think, yeah, to put it on the wall. Yeah, good, good. So I think it's okay like this. So, okay. I think we've already done our 3D rotation. Oh my goodness, choice. What did I do? Okay, so this are I've done our 3D rotation. So it looks as if it is resting on the wall. So the next thing for us to do is that we're going to rotate it. I rotate. I think this angle is okay. Good. So this angle is okay. So now let's just look at the way it looks like. Now I think this should be okay. This should be okay. So now look at the way this looks like. It's very presentable, very lovely. So yeah, the first one I did was beautiful. I couldn't get the exact angle I used for that one. I lost the image for that, but I just got this one as a copy of that. So I depends on the one you guys see. So, but you should look for something similar to this, similar to the one on your image. So it is very easy for you to design. Design is not really that difficult. When you have a sample image, it is very easy since you're starting for the first time. So this time around it might not be creative, but when you look at a sample image, it'll be easy for you to follow it and bring out your own design out of it. So we've brought out this one. So now the next thing for us to do is to save our project. We can save it as laundry. So we save that one. Okay, it's going to bring add. Okay, was of pay money for this, but anyhow, okay, good. So after saving this as a project, we are also going to save it as image, and we are saving it directly to our gallery. So now we are done with all this. We are done with all this. Now I was talking about a mock-up. So let me bring in the mock-up right now. So let me change the background of the image. Let me change the background. And let me use this background. So this is what I want the mockup to be like. So this is how it looks like. So this time around, I'm going to remove everything. Or the shadow, I'm going to remove it because I don't need it. So I'm removing the shadow. So the way it looks like, we're going to do some touching just for it to fit into this, this card, like a business card or something you get. So I'm going to rotate it, my rotate button. Yeah, I'm going to rotate it just for it to fit into it. Going to rotate it. Yeah, I think this is okay. Then my 3D rotation, my x-axis, I think it should be 21. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, I think this should be okay. Then the y-axis, I don't really need you right now, so it should be on 0. Good. So this time around, we're not going to be needing the write-up. We don't need it. So this is only what we're going to be dealing with. Yeah, as the mock-up is not important for it to carry all your all your info, what you do. As far as it has your logo, the logo is the most important thing. So that we have directly fit it into this card. So this is how beautiful it looks like. So this is not really what we're dealing with, so I'm just going to leave that one. But we're not going to save this because we're not dealing with this. So let's just go back to the one we did earlier. That is the most important one. So this is what we're doing, and finally we've come to the end of our class. So now your assignment is for you to design this logo. I use this for my own, that is the choicing, but I don't want you guys to use it. Oh my goodness, I just noticed that I made a mistake. The DC, I didn't change the color, but no worries, you guys should please correct it in your own project. So when doing this, I would love it if you guys put your name. Mine is D Choicey. You can just put that D, but you change that Choicey to your name and your phone number. So that would be very, very nice because I want to see different kind of designs. So when you guys are done, I'm going to paste the assignments on the assignment place. So you guys are going to submit it before the end of this week. On Friday is when everybody's meant to submit their assignment. So just do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would like to see any question in the comment section below. Thank you.